Hello, so we are currently in our demo site, and I'm going to walk through and show you how to add a video above your bundle visual, as well as how to add a Learn More pop-up box that includes a title, a body of text, and another video option. Now, as you can see here, we are currently in our mix and match bundle builder, and we have those videos live on our pre-workout step. We do not have them live on the third step, which is our recovery step. And so this is the step that we're going to add those additional video sets to. So with that said, let's go ahead and jump on over into the back end of the bundle builder. And we're going to go ahead and click on View Bundles. And from there, we're going to select the bundle we're just looking at the live site and click on Edit. So this is going to pull up the bundle that we've created. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to select Steps, and then we're going to select Recovery. So that's going to pull us over here into the third step. And again, we do not have a video yet that's above the bundle visual, nor do we have a Learn More button. So let's go ahead and create that. Over here on the right-hand side, you're going to see our step settings for recovery. We're just going to scroll down and we're going to find our Learn More button here. So I'm going to put Learn More. And then I'm going to say, learn more about our protein. And then let's make sure you get the right recovery shake. Perfect. And so now you can see here in real time, the Learn More button has popped up. And if you click on Learn More, you can see the title and the body of text we added. And then we're going to go ahead and grab the YouTube link. And once we have that, we're going to paste it in here. And so now in real time, if we click on Learn More again, you're going to see the video has populated in our pop-up box. So let's go ahead and close that. And next we're going to add the same video above our bundle visual. And this is called your Sidebar video. So we're just going to use the same video link. And now you can see that it populated here as well. So we've added it both above our bundle visual as well within the Learn More pop-up. Next thing we're going to do is click on Save Changes. Now let's navigate back over here to the live site. We're going to refresh this page. And once we've done that, we're going to click on Recovery just to navigate to that step again. And you're going to find that the video is now located above our bundle visual as well as inside our Learn More pop-up. So as you can see, it's very easy to go ahead and add videos both in our pop-up and above the bundle visual for each step. Let me know if you have any questions. We're always happy to help. Thank you.